Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Rocket Mortgage for mortgage insurance options, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for Rocket Mortgage. Once the page loads, locate the Get Started button on the home page. Click on the Get Started button to begin your mortgage application. You will be directed to a new page where you can select mortgage or refinancing. Choose the option that best fits your needs. Next, you'll need to create an account or log in if you already have one. Fill in the required personal information, such as your name, address, and email. After that, set a strong password for your new account. Once you submit your information, check your email for a confirmation link. Click on the confirmation link to verify your email address. Return to the Rocket Mortgage website and log into your account. Now, you will be prompted to provide financial information. Enter your income details and any existing debts or loans. Be prepared to provide information about your employment status as well. After filling out your financial details, the next step is to specify the type of mortgage insurance you are interested in. Review the options available for mortgage insurance. Select the insurance option that best suits your financial situation. After choosing your desired mortgage insurance, you can proceed to review all your entered information. Make sure everything is accurate before moving on. Next, submit your application for approval. You may need to upload supporting documents, such as pay stubs or bank statements. Once you have submitted everything, wait for a response from Rocket Mortgage. Check your email regularly for updates regarding your application status. Upon approval, you will receive detailed information about your mortgage insurance options. Follow the instructions provided to finalize your mortgage insurance selection. Congratulations! You've successfully registered with Rocket Mortgage for mortgage insurance options. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.